Welcome everybody to the marina here. Entrance. We'll have a wander around and check things out. I don't know if you can see the birds up there. Look, the seagulls enjoying the currents and the wonderful fluffy clouds. Pretty little flower poking out the hedge. You can just make out the pass bar in the top of your picture where we were earlier. See the fish? A mixture of speedboat, yachts, jet skis. So we're here at the end of the marina. Can't go any further. Right by the harbour wall, the entrance to the marina. And there's the gantry going down to the boats. Just a short trip around the marina here in Agadir. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now, guys.